If you want to go ahead and manage out your to-do list with effectiveness, then you can utilize Structured App. So to access Structured App, you can go to structured.app on the web browser of your choice. So you can download this as an app version, or you can use a web app version as well, which we are going to focus on this particular tutorial series. So to access out the web app, I'm already in the structured.app homepage. So now what I'm going to do is go to web app right here, just like this. And then it takes me to web.structured.com. So now over here, what you can do is you can enter out your email address. So I'm just going to go around onto TutorTube channel at gmail.com right here, and then click on get started right here, just like this. And now it sends a verification code onto my email. So let me just go around over here onto my Gmail right here. And then if I were to go around, this is what you have, as you can see. Let me just go ahead and copy this up right here and paste this code, and then click on verify around over here. Once I do that, you can see that this is what you have. Let me just go ahead and continue right here, just like this. And then you can see that I can even access a paid version of it, but let me just go ahead and close it and then focus on the free version right here, just like this. You can also go ahead and download a mobile app by scanning this QR code as well. So this is what you have, as you can see. So now over here, what you can do is you can start using Structured right here, just like this. So let me just go around over here. This is what you have. Let's just go ahead and refresh this out because it seems like it's not correctly loaded yet. And now as I refresh, you can see that this is loaded. So this is where you see your particular task right here, like this. Wake up and go to bed right here. You can change that out as well. Here you can see your inbox, and here you can see the calendar details. And here you can navigate out the days right here. And here you can access the settings. And then over here on the right bottom inside, you see the create new task option, where you can go ahead and create and track your tasks accordingly. So that is how you can go ahead and then access out the structured web app in as needed. And throughout the tutorial series now, we're going to see how we can plan a task. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.